Join me as I dive into the aftermath of this massive earthquake in Israel. And see how I tackle the challenges that come with it. A massive earthquake has struck Israel, leaving widespread destruction and chaos in its wake. The earthquake, which hit with a significant magnitude, has caused extensive damage to buildings, infrastructure, and homes, displacing thousands of residents. Emergency services are on the ground, working tirelessly to search for survivors and provide aid to those affected. The population is facing numerous challenges. In the aftermath of the earthquake. Infrastructure damage has left many without access to basic necessities like water, electricity, and communication. Emergency response efforts are underway. With rescue teams working to reach trapped survivors and provide medical assistance. The psychological impact on residents cannot be overstated. With many experiencing trauma and stress in the face of such a catastrophic event. Israel is located in a seismically active region, and earthquakes are not uncommon. However, the magnitude of this recent quake has caught many off guard. According to experts, the earthquake's magnitude was one of the largest in recent history. With some areas experiencing intense shaking. Eyewitnesses described the terrifying moments as the ground shook beneath their feet, with some even reporting seeing buildings crumble. Geologists have been quick to point out that Israel sits on a complex fault line, making it prone to seismic activity. While earthquakes are a natural phenomenon, the level of destruction caused by this event has raised concerns about the country's preparedness and infrastructure resilience. As the nation begins to pick up the pieces, experts are already weighing in on what this means for future disaster preparedness. One dramatic story that has emerged is that of a family trapped under the rubble of their home. Miraculously, they were rescued after hours of intense efforts by emergency responders. Their story is just one of many that showcase the resilience and strength of the Israeli people in the face of disaster. The rescue operation was nothing short of miraculous, with responders working tirelessly to free the trapped family. Details are still emerging, but it's clear that the efforts of emergency responders have saved countless lives. The psychological impact of such an event should not be underestimated. Survivors are struggling to come to terms with what they've experienced, and support services are being mobilized to help those affected. As the people of Israel begin the long process of recovery, there are many lessons to be learned from this disaster. The population is facing significant challenges. In the